Where's Mom? Where's Mom? That was great. Thank you, Cara. You always seem to find Mom. Great job. It's pouring now. That's why Cara's hurting us. Let us pass. Good cows. All right. I had to restrain Cara a little bit. We just passed those 3. Enjoy grazing, yo.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now. I guess it's good as any. We'll end this 4th video. The conclusion. Thank you so much for watching. Do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe. Click that notification bell. Bye for now. Peace. Hey, sweetie. Leash. Leash. Good girl. Okay. Let's go home.